Hi everyone, it's Mary Kay here, and I'm the Grammy from Grammy Square. I'm going to show you 5 different methods of foundation rows for Tunisian crochet. Like what you see, let's jump right in. The first method is probably the most common one, the front loop method. Chain the number of stitches that you want, and then the forward pass. You'll insert your hook into the top loop of each stitch to the end of the row. The reverse pass or back pass will be yarn over, pull through 1, then yarn over, pull through 2 all the way back till you have 1 loop left on your hook. The back bump method starts just the same as the front loop method. Chain the number of stitches you want, then turn your chain so you can see the back side. Those bumps on the back are where you'll insert your hook. So turn your chain, insert your hook into the back bump, pull up a loop. Insert your hook into the back loop again, pull up a loop. Sometimes this is a little bit harder, especially if your hook doesn't have a sharp tip. But complete that process until you get to the end of the row. And the return pass will be the same. Yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 2, all the way back until you have 1 loop left on your hook. If you've knitted and cast on with 1 knitting needle, this is the exact same process, only we're using a crochet hook this time. Make a long loop with your yarn, then put in a slip stitch. Wrap the 2 strands of the yarn around your thumb and index finger. Go under the strand around your thumb, then over the strand around your finger. Pull it tight. Let's look at that a little bit closer. Wrap the strands of yarn around your hand like this. Point the hook towards your thumb, pick up a strand, and then go over to your finger and go under that strand. And then pull through the loop that your thumb has made, and you've got one done. Make sure the yarn is wrapped around your hand like this. Go under the strand by your thumb, over the one by your finger, and come through the loop, pull it tight. Continue casting on until you have the number of stitches that you want. And the return pass will be just the same. Yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 2, all the way back. To use the 2-hook method, make a slip knot and insert the hook that will not be the main Tunisian hook. Place that hook, which is the wood one that you see here, in this position underneath the first hook. Then wrap the yarn under and over both hooks and pull through with the first hook. That makes the first stitch. Continue like that, wrapping the yarn under and over, then pulling the yarn through with the first hook until you have the number of stitches that you want. When you're finished casting on, pull the loop out and insert it over your Tunisian hook, and then you can make the back or reverse pass. This pass is the same as we've used with all the other methods. This method leaves an even row of V-stitches at the bottom. For the last method, the twisted stitch method, we'll be holding the yarn the same way we did with the long tail method. With this one though, we're going to go under both strands on the thumb, pick up the front loop, and then drop your thumb towards your hand, creating a loop. Then go over the strand on your finger and pull it through the loop that you just created. Let go with your thumb and pull it tight, and you've got your first stitch done. Again, go under both loops on your thumb, pick up the first strand, drop your thumb, and then pick up the strand on your finger, pull through the loop that you just created. Let's watch a couple more. The return pass is the same. If you liked this video and learned something, which I hope you did, please go to my channel, subscribe, like, and comment. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you again soon.